Alizé, but you also go by Little Dragon Bitch Suck on D's Nuts. Let me know if I should learn how to say your name.
That's what I thought. Come at me. I just came back from school, and the most embarrassing thing happened to me today. So, it's our second semester. I didn't have my password to look at my schedule, so I was just guessing like, oh, digital lit would be first period. So I was in digital lit for the first period when I was supposed to be in study hall. So he marked me absent, so it was kind of great. Great day. It looks like I'm in a cop car. I'm arrested. Okay. Anyways, right now I'm going to be whitening my teeth with some Crest, and I have a toothbrush. That's great. Okay, so while I'm doing my little whitening strips, I'm gonna tell you about how my break went. I feel like break was way too short, but also really long at the same time. So today is Monday, and I had school today, and 2 days ago was Saturday, no duh, and I realized that we were going back to school in literally like 2 days, so I was like, oh no, but yeah, okay, let's continue. Okay, so actually I've never used these before, so it's like a toothpaste. It helps with plaque. I don't know what this is. This is step 2. Oh, this is like the actual whitening. So this is like toothpaste, and this is like white. Okay. This is my water. Again, I don't have water. Last time I did this, I was very unprepared. The water spilled all over the place, so I had no water. So I had to use Coke. I actually didn't use it because that's like pointless, because it's filled with like sugar, so I used the Coke. And then I had to spit in a cup because there was, oh my god, I literally don't have anything to spit into. That's nice. Is there a cup up there? Okay. This is so gross. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna spit into this. It's empty, so it smells terrible though. So I have my toothbrush. How the heck do you open this thing? If you guys didn't know, Milwaukee, Wisconsin is like 2 hours away from Chicago, so I have a lot of time to spare. So this is probably going to take me the whole 2 hours because I can't open this stupid package. Yes, please. Okay, so for Christmas, I got 2 shirts, I got these pajama pants, and I got money. I got Glossier from my cousin. I got like the lip gloss. I'm trying to think, what else did I get? I got this cute little light thing. It's like a little cherry, and you like, I don't know how you, it's like a cherry little lamp, and you can like take it anywhere with you, but I got nail polish, and then I also got a record player from my dad. Alright, so we finally opened the toothbrush after like 15 minutes. Alrighty. We got my agua. Wait, let me open up this so I don't have to like, oh, it smells so bad. Okay. Got my agua here. Okay, I don't like that being there. I have my seatbelt on, don't worry. Okay. We're gonna open up my agua water. Going to dip the toothbrush in the backwash. Okay, dip. Step 1, toothpaste. Oh, my pants are wet. This is such a skinny toothbrush. What the heck? Oh, you didn't even see it. Okay. Do y'all put water before you put the toothpaste on, or do you want the toothpaste before the water? Or do you water it to it and then Words cannot describe how bad this tastes. I don't even know what. I got this stupid protein shake in my mouth too. That is not very cash money. That was so gross. I'm literally so scared to use step 2 because I really don't want to use step 2 because it tastes so bad. So if this doesn't whiten my teeth, Crest, I'm coming for you. I don't even want to dip this in there again because that's nasty. I have never used this before. I told you that. Oh my god. How much do I put on? Okay. It smells bad. Okay. This is better than my teeth sensitive, and I don't like that. Okay, it tastes a little bit better than the actual toothpaste itself. Now that's a plus. Did you get a cookie? Wow. I see how it is. Kind of burns. Oh, ugh. Tastes so bad. I didn't even whiten it. It's like one of those things where you have to whiten it in like 1 week. Like it takes a week to whiten. Obviously, it's not. Look at that. That's so gross. Because I don't want people to be like, oh my god, you got yellow teeth. I want to put a diamond on like my canine. What is it called? I want to put a diamond right here. That would be so cool. It was so nasty. I'm never gonna do that again. Actually, I probably am. You know what I would do? So I would probably do this first and then actual white strips next. So it kind of speeds up the process. I mean, they look really yellow, but I promise you they don't look that yellow in real life. How do you know if it works? You know if it works when your teeth get whiter. There is no other explanation. You take a picture of yourself like before and then you do an after like a week. Yes, sir. That's what Facetune is for. Go follow me on TikTok at little dragon bitch suck on these nuts. Siri,
I'm listening.
what is my nickname?
You'll need to unlock your iPhone first.
Wow. I love that name. Comment down below what your nickname is.